নমস্কাৰ Samaria Assam Tribune 18 August এই ভিডিওত আমি Assam Tribune 10টা পইণ্ট ডিসকাস কৰিম which will help you to prepare for 10 MCQs for APSC and various other government exams. So let's begin. Number 1, Naga peace talks. The union government has been engaged in talks with the Naga groups since 2019 for the settlement of Naga political issues. The key demand of Naga groups has been a greater Nagalim, that is, redrawing the boundaries to bring all Naga inhabited areas in the northeast under one administrative umbrella. এই এরিয়ার ভিতৰত কি থাকিব? Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Assam, and even some areas of Myanmar. The government is also discussing the matter with other stakeholder states to arrive at an amicable solution. Number 2, Pandit Jasraj. The Indian classical maestro passed away in New Jersey on Monday due to a cardiac arrest. He belonged to the Mewati Gharana of Indian classical music. He was conferred Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Sangeet Natak Academy and various other prestigious awards. Number 3, Enforcement Directorate. Ami khub frequently dekha pai thaku in newspapers. So ED is a multidisciplinary organization mandated with the task of enforcing the provisions of two special fiscal laws, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 and Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002. The origin of this directorate goes back to 1956 when an enforcement unit was formed in Department of Economic Affairs for handling exchange control laws violations under Foreign Exchange Regulation Act of 1947. It was renamed as Enforcement Directorate in 1957. The ED also processed cases under Fugitive Economic Offenders Act of 2018 and Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act of 1974. Admission is going on for online batch of APSC and various other government exams. Courses to be conducted by the expert faculties of Lucent IAS. Contact the numbers on the screen to know more details. Number 4, Indigenous people. Indigenous people, also known as Aboriginal peoples or Native peoples, are ethnic groups who are the original settlers of a given region. They maintain traditions or other aspects of an early culture that is associated with a given region. India 2011 census mote largest population of indigenous people পোৱা যায়. India around 700 tribal groups আছে with a population of around 104 million. The largest concentrations of indigenous people are found in the 7 northeastern states and in the central tribal belt that stretches from Rajasthan to West Bengal. Number 5, Project Dolphin. The central government has announced to launch Project Dolphin soon for the conservation and enhanced reproduction of the river dolphins. The Gangetic river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Different conservation status of river dolphin. According to Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, yak Schedule 1 ত ৰখা হৈছে. According to Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, that is CITES, yak Appendix 1 ত ৰখা হৈছে আৰু IUCN Red List of yak Endangered category ৰখা হৈছে. The river dolphins are blind in nature and catch their prey in an unique manner using ultrasonic waves. They can live only in fresh water আৰু ইয়াক ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ, গংগা আৰু ইয়াৰ ট্ৰিবিউটাৰী সমূহত দেখা পোৱা যায়. Number 6, blowout preventer. Finally, যোৱাকালি BOP install কৰা হৈছে বাগজানত. A blowout preventer is a specialized valve or similar mechanical device used to seal, control or monitor oil and gas wells to prevent blowouts and uncontrolled release of crude oil and natural gas from a well. Number 7, Vishwabharati University. Vishwabharati is a central university located in Shantiniketan, West Bengal. It was established as a college by Rabindranath Tagore in 1921. After independence, it was made a central university in 1951. Number 8, Nagar Van Yojana. The central government recently announced implementation of the Nagar Van scheme on the occasion of the World Environment Day on 5th June. The scheme aims to develop 200 urban forests across country in the next 5 years. Warje Urban Forest in Pune will be considered as a role model for the scheme. The finances of the scheme will be paid for by the CAMPA funds, that is Compensatory Afforestation Fund Act of 2016. Number 9, Biofuel. Guwahati University eta time algae pura biofuel প্ৰস্তুত কৰা টেকনলজিত কাম কৰি আছে. Biofuel কি হয়? Any hydrocarbon fuel that is produced from an organic matter in a short period of time, which may be days, weeks or even months, is considered a biofuel. It may be solid, liquid or gaseous. What are the categories of biofuel? First generation biofuels, those were made from food sources such as sugar, starch, etc. Second generation biofuels, those were produced from tree stems, husks, wood chips, fruit skins, etc. Third generation biofuels were produced from microorganisms like algae. And fourth generation biofuels produced from genetically engineered crops with higher carbon content. Number 10, non-banking financial companies. A non-banking financial company is a company registered under the Companies Act of 1956, engaged in business of loans and advances, acquisition of shares, stock, bonds, debentures, securities, etc., issued by government or local authority. Unlike banks, an NBFC cannot accept demand deposits. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for regular updates.